We are pleased to show you the 2023 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener. Your new ride is just a phone call away.